refuel them, re-dye them, and then we're getting airborne from here just after 6 o'clock this evening to head back combat jets like the Gripen we've seen, and like the likes of the Viggen and the Draken, the Lansen and the Tunnen before them, but they also have been quite active in the last 30 or so years in the airliner market, but with certain military applications. We've seen military variants of the Saab 340. So that you can enjoy them taking off in peace and quiet. I'll tell you that we've got the Hawker Hurricane and the Supermarine Spitfire LF-16E to go first, followed by the Avro Lancaster 1. They've just been cleared for takeoff.
Enduring force. Amen. And I pray for the future. As the southern coast become a vibrant, diverse and free nation, that we members of the Royal Australian Air Force strive to serve our nation in a changing world, assist us to anticipate, adapt and face the future, so that over the next 100 years we might seek for all people the freedom to live in peace of body, mind and spirit. Amen. progressively moving forward, but it's still amazing to me that RAF officers went in.
Operational jet fighter in the RAF at the end of the Second World War. Number 616 Squadron. They had an Australian on board there, a guy called Tony Gage, who was an ace on Aussie Spitfires, got an ace as well in the Korean War. But the MiG-15 had a deficiencies, and the Americans were able to recover a lot of those with the later models of the
Housing Park in a dedicated building, museum hangar, if you will. A good place to go to visit Sydney, a great place for transport of planes.
named by him, but named by